This exercise is called the leg lifts. You want to sit in your chair, slightly back but not all the way. Don't rest your back on the chair here. We're going to gently extend our legs out and hold on to the sides of your chair, lifting them one by one as you exhale. You're going to be using your core, so make sure you exhale and really squeeze it. If you feel like this is too difficult, place your feet on the ground with your knees bent at 90 degrees and just lift your knees. Make sure you exhale and use that core.